Welcome traders, I go by the handle RP Forex and I'll be your mentor on the trading room and your analyst for the signal service. And this is Meet Your Mentor introductory video where I'll be talking a bit about myself, my trading style, my trading journey, how to use the signal service properly, and what the overall goal of the trading room is. So starting a bit about myself, I started trading 6 years ago under the guidance of my university professor during my major in quantitative finance. He's the one that taught me about currency trading, and that's where the journey officially started. My first year, I blew 3 accounts. It was filled with lows. I lost a $500 account, I blew a $2,000 account, and a $3,000 account. When I did that, I actually took a step away from live trading, and I spent the next 15 months learning how to trade, making use of resources online, reading books to devise a strategy that made sense to me, and more importantly, that made profits. Since then, the last 4 or 5 years have been great. Things started to click, my account balances started to grow, and I was able to withdraw more and more often. And I was able to teach this form of trading to many friends and family, and it made so much sense to them because it's simple. It's a variation of price action trading. We make use of a lot of support and resistance, trend lines, Fibonacci, channels, and pattern. So this type of trading can help the novice trader and also the most experienced trader. And that's what you're going to get with this trading room service, is these daily live sessions which are hosted on a beautiful portal. When you log in, you just click the New York Live. They run from Monday through Thursday, starting at 11 a.m. Eastern, where I'll do live market breakdowns and also do live signal calls, so you, the trader, can understand how to trade on your own too. And our portal has many other features such as Bloomberg Live, in case you wanted to watch news releases. It also has a beautiful chat where during the live session you can ask me questions and chat with other traders. And also it has 4 charts to your disposal. Right now we have Euro USD open, so you can analyze as we do the live session. And we also have our signals, so we provide 8 different signal providers, some of the best in the game, that you can check their signal performance and their alerts just by clicking their names, and you can see their latest call. That way you can see how up to date you are with the latest providers and all that. Moving on, how to use a signal service properly. So many newcomers to Forex actually use signals as a copy and paste service, and that's far from the truth, and that's the most inaccurate way to use them. We believe at Forex Lens to use signals as a tool. So when a signal is sent, instead of frantically entering it into your MetaTrader, the first thing you should do is pull up your chart. So if I send out a signal, sell Euro USD, and you open up Euro USD and your analysis says buy, and you don't take the trade, and guess what? Your analysis ends up being correct. That's a major confidence boost. You're learning how to trade on your own and becoming your own independent trader, which is one of our primary goals of this service. And let's say, I say buy Euro USD and your analysis says sell, but my buy goes into profits. Then you can also take a look at your charts and see where you went wrong. So this is our whole motto with this whole trading room feature and service, is to earn while you learn, because you get the benefit of earning while you use the signals, but you also get to learn by vetting the signals on your own and through our live sessions. So that's how you properly use the signal service, and we'll do a dedicated video on how to use it more specifically. Going to the next talking point, what is the overall goal of this trading room service? And the overall goal is for you to be with us for as short as time as possible. And that might sound counterintuitive, but that's really what we want. We don't want you guys to be dependent on our signals for the rest of your life, or for the next 5 years or whatever. We want you guys to be here, for 6 or 7 months, learn how to trade, earn a few bucks, and once you become independent and are able to analyze the charts on your own, we want you to leave because you don't need us anymore. You're independent. That you're on your journey to independence and being your own trader, your own boss, your own shot caller, and that's what we want. That's what we want for every trader. Most services out there are trying to get their members to cling on. We're trying to take the opposite approach. We want to make some of the best traders out there. We want to create a community of successful traders, and we believe this trading room and signal package is the way to go. So that's our goal for this service, is to create traders, get them on their feet, get them on the right path by teaching our trading style, making them a few profits using our signals. But once they get the hang of it, it's time to go on your own path, your own journey, to be profitable and to be your own shot caller. Before I end this off, make sure you log on to the portal and have a rundown of the features. You can play around with them, and each feature is movable and closable at your own will, so you can create your own layout. Another thing is make sure you follow us on Twitter, where we send out a lot of company information, trade calls, and other analysis on there as well. And also our Instagram, where we send out our daily live sessions and other updates on our company. So thank you for watching this video, and I'm so excited to have you guys as clients, and I'm very excited to work with you guys. So I'll see you guys during our live sessions that run Monday to Thursday at 11 a.m. Eastern, and I'll also be acting as a support. So if you have any trading related questions, you can actually email support@forexlens.com, and the support team will relay those trading related questions, and I'll get back to you as soon as I can.